hell. So, had to change chassis because I couldn't get a 53-foot trailer. Had to slide my chassis, and I almost forgot how to do it. Hell, I slid it to a 40 first. Then I finally got it to a 45. Now I'm going over here to get my reefer if they'll let me get out of here. Good grief, it has been a day, let me tell you. Also, they're testing all my skills today because I got this truck shifting, which has been no problemo. Ain't no grinding gears there, baby. Once a trucker, always a trucker. Anyway, let me get this 45-foot reefer and get the hell out of Dodge. Later.